Poop. Izzy!
What?
Izzy!
What?
Uh,
Oh my gosh. Hi.
uh.
Oh my gosh, what are you doing?
You're beautiful. You're unbeautiful.
Wait, I think you stopped it.
Never
mind.
Your unbeautiful face.
I stopped it? No, I thought you. What happened?
I think I got that.
Wait, you got me falling over?
I think
Look
I did.
Down.
No,
Look down. You got me falling over.
I think I did.
I fell over. I
Good
was
for
like,
you.
ah! She admits it. She admits it. Stop! Don't kick me! Oh yes, I'd like you all to know. Natasha has betrayed us. Yes. She's moved on, okay? So don't expect her. Yeah. Here again. She's decided to what are you doing? She decided to shoe. She decided
You are a shoe.
I am a shoe.
You are a shoe.
I am a shoe. And like yeah, she
Shoe.
walked out. She walked out and then
Abracadabra.
she meets someone else at the door now. So.
Oh my gosh, she does.
Yes.
Is it a boy?
The guy?
Okay, good.
Okay, good.
I'm so good.
I was like, oh my god.
Hurry up.
The scandal.
Hurry up.
I gotta get on the bus today. Bam.
Gosh.
So is this like a...
Mariah, don't leave me.
Wait. Don't leave me.
Ah!
Don't leave me.
No, too bad. But Mariah, where'd you go? No, Mariah. She left. She left us. Boy.
Oh my gosh. Sorry, guys. Yep, that's you.
Hey.
Normal day in the life of Lily Bouchard. Why'd you kick
No, wait, watch. Oh, I'm sorry.
What are you even doing? Guys, Lily's dying.
I'm dying.
She's dying.
I already died 5 million years ago.
That's definitely true.
Hey!
You're like reincarnated.
Whoa!
Reincarnated.
Whoa.
Are you like a flower?
That's so mean. Hello. Oh, I'm so tired. Ow. My ankle hurts too. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please leave a like and a comment down below. And please subscribe. Please, I only have 4, and it's just my family and friends. It's very sad. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.